I'm going to define a function called x, and I'm going to hand it some variables. I'm catching an A and B, and I'm going to hand a lot of variables, and I'm not sure how many, so I'm going to put in star args. I can put in another one just to be safe, and that's KW args, keyword args. And keyword args I won't talk about right now, but later. Args I'm going to talk about, star args. And I'm going to say, this is what I want you to do. Print out whatever is in A, then print out whatever is in B, and then print out whatever is in star args. And let's see what we get. I'm now going to call the function x, and I'm going to hand it 7, 8, and then I'm going to hand it some names. Now 7 is going to go into A. 8 will go into B. But now I'm going to put lots of stuff into args. Bill, Pete, Kim, close parens, then I hit enter. Now, as soon as I hit enter, it should print out whatever is in A, 7, then B, 8, and then Bill, Pete, and Kim. That's what it should do. And that's exactly what it did. So it put all these guys into this args structure. All right. Now, I obviously cannot access and manipulate this data without assigning it to something. And to assign it to something, I'm going to have to change my function a bit. So I'm going to say return, change my x function, so it'll say return A, B, and args. I can't say star args, I have to say args. Okay, now I'm going to say y is equal to x. I'm going to pass it 2, 3, and Sam, and Kim, and Bill. And this time, Sam, Kim, and Bill are going into args, but it's also going to return the same to y. Well, let's see what happens. I hit enter. Oh, I get a syntax error. Oh, I screwed up. I didn't put in the last single quotes. Let me do that now. Put in that single quotes right there. Oh, I missed that one. Single quote. And then, and it came back as 2, 3, and Sam kill Bill. Kill Bill. All right. Now let me key in the letter Y and hit enter. And look what I get. I get a 2, a 3, and then the 30th element is Sam, kill, and Bill. Can I access those guys individually now? And what type of data structure is Y anyway? Let's find out. I'm going to key in the word type and then Y. And it's a tuple. If it's a tuple, I can access that data. Y, and then squares, and 0, the 0th element, what's in that position? 2. Y, the 1th element, what's there? 3. Y, the 2th element, what's there? Sam, Kim, and Bill. What do you know? Sam, Kim, and Bill. Not Kill Bill, Kim, Bill. All right. Somehow I saw Kill a few seconds ago. All right, so what have we learned so far? We've learned that when you return multiple arguments, they get placed into a data structure of type tuple. You can then access them using Y square brackets and then whatever element you're targeting. And pretty much that's all I want to talk about today. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Boole saying bye-bye now.